Oh hey, it's Esther K.
I will be trying out the rice water rinse. I've been seeing the hype all around YouTube, and I decided to actually do my own research. I mean, like in terms of the benefits of it, and does it work for my type of hair and all that jazz. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Esther K, and if you're joining us for the very first time, you're more than welcome. So guys, I'm going to show you guys a short tutorial on how to actually make rice water. Guys, I've heard so many good things about this rice water and I decided to try it out. So as you guys saw in the first clip, I used the brand Speco, and right now I'm just rinsing it out because guys, you do not want all that dirt in your hair. Okay, so I'm rinsing it out and then making sure that the water is totally out before I place it into my jar. And this jar is actually a food jar that I decided to just wash and use. I usually don't really throw away my glass jars for some storage reasons. I like using them to store, you know, like stuff like what I'm doing right now. I made use of it to make rice water inside because I didn't have anything else. So I'm placing my rice into my jar, and then later on I will be placing water into it. Guys, I in terms of measurements, I really don't know. Okay, I just winged it. So guys, just try winging it. All right, in life we don't always need measurements. Okay, we don't always need to do things by the book. So just wing it. Look at the video. If you're bad at winging it, just look at the video and try to guess how much water I placed in, how much rice I used. Okay, all right, cool. All right, so yeah, I just added some more water just to dilute it a bit. So yeah, so my rice water actually overnighted for about 19 hours, if not more. So basically it's fermented. This is my rice water. So I'll just start by sectioning. I will just split it in my hair. I'll just divide it into 4 sections. So I'll just start like from like splitting on my scalp, like going down. I'm not gonna make it like extremely wet, like I'm just gonna like more like a mist kinda. Yeah, so guys, the benefits of rice water, it makes your hair strong. It's basically like a protein treatment. It makes your hair strong, it promotes hair growth and all that good stuff. And I mean, who doesn't want hair growth? Who doesn't want hair growth? So I did mix it with a bit of olive oil. I have a friend who also did a video on the rice water. She said she stopped though because it made her hair a bit hard. So I guess you must dilute it. Like mine is fermented rice water. So you need to dilute it a bit. But I mean, look, I need to experience this for myself and see. But I really heard good things about rice water. Did I mention why I put the olive oil? I actually put the olive oil because my hair is a bit dry. I ran out of hair products and I need to go get some more hair products. I will stock up. There's a certain hair product, a brand that I want to try out, so I'll do a review. I won't mention what brand it is until I get it. You guys will see. It will be a surprise. I'll be back. Hey guys, so I am back and I'm done doing the rest of my hair. I finger detangled it and this is all the shedding I got. Like, this is really good. Not that I'm saying the rice water is working, maybe it is, I'm not sure, but like, to be honest, my desire is to reduce my shedding, because of course when your hair doesn't shed as much, that means, you know, like all the growth that you are like getting, it's not in vain. I want to clean the house quickly, so I will be calculating how long I've left the treatment on. Some people sleep with it, some people stay with it only for like 12 minutes and whatnot, but I'm gonna leave it on because I have quite much to do around the house. It doesn't smell that great, neither does it smell that bad. I think it all depends on the rice that you're using, because some of the videos that I've seen, people really exaggerated. Not really exaggerate, but they did mention that the rice water was smelling, but this one, it doesn't really have the most amazing smell, but it's also not that bad. And of course, for me, I don't really mind if it can make my hair grow, and if it can strengthen my hair, if it can moisturize, like basically if it has great benefits for my hair, I don't care. It can smell like poo for all I care. I'm just joking. So I'll see you guys later again. So hey guys, I have decided not to wash out the rice water anymore. Instead, I'm gonna keep it as a treatment, and I will do a series, like a short series on my channel, like to give you guys an update. At the moment, when my hair is twisted, this is how long, okay, I'm straight, this is how long it is. It is on my, is this collarbone? Yeah, it's on my collarbone. So I'm going to do an update after a while, maybe 10 days or 2 weeks. So I will be putting, I was advised actually to spray the water on my hair at least twice a week, if not once. So I'm not gonna wash it out today. Instead, I'll keep it in. So guys, yeah, so far my hair doesn't feel stiff. It doesn't feel like, it feels really great. It feels like really strong, like the elasticity. I don't know if I said it correctly. Feels really amazing. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Follow me on Instagram. It is Esther K, Esther with 5 underscores K. Give this video a massive thumbs up if it was very helpful to you. Bye. Bye.